Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all having a cracking day today. So here we are around in the centre of Calverton. Got a Greggs, there's a village square here. We're going to go past the Calverton Fish Bar, which is very popular. And past the Admiral Rodney pub. We are now basically coming up to the exit of Calverton. Beautiful to see all the snowdrops. Okay, you can't go straight on, it is a short road, and that is a way to get into the woods to do some walking if you wish to do so. Because we're heading directly to Ravenshead. Oh, we've got a tractor here, folks. I love a good tractor spot, as you may know on the channel. Fendt tractor, beautiful. That'll get added to the tractor compilation. Right, we're heading up another busy road, and they've actually put signs up now saying road liable to subsidence, which is new. This road is actually notorious for serious potholes, and they've resurfaced it several times. And they resurfaced it fairly recently as well. Parts of it anyway. See, it's a very lumpy road. Right, so as we're coming down here, the bottom of the A614, we are heading straight across here, and so we're crossing the A614 and we're going up towards the A60, and this is where you'll find a lot of people go walking into the woodland here. It's always a very, very busy place. There's a car turning in now in front of us. So yeah, a big patch of woodland that you can walk around here is always very popular. Which is Blidworth Woods. Very popular walking spot. In fact, I think I've done a video from there as well in the past. Alright, so to the left here you have Papwick pumping station, not actually accessible all the time. But it's down that little lane there. Can't actually see it from here. You would see it if I was going the opposite way, but not for the route we're taking. So now we're down in the area of Longdale. And there's Blidworth Equestrian on the right, which is up that hill there on the right there. We're coming up to a school as well, a small school, just as we're starting to get into Ravenshead. So I've done videos on Ravenshead before. we have the school, Cherubs Longdale, and now we're in the village of Ravenshead. So we have a strict 30-mile-an-hour speed limit here in on the road here. So follow it. Some beautiful homes in Ravenshead. To the left here we have the new homes. They've just built these homes on the bit of land there, and then you've got the leisure centre, which is to the left there where that man's crossing with his dog. And I'm going to take you up. The reason why we're going all the way to the top of here is to show you the tree that Lord Byron, if you know who the poet Lord Byron is. Lord Byron used to own Newstead Abbey, which is a big abbey. It was never actually an abbey, believe it or not, but it's called Newstead Abbey, a massive old stately home. And his great uncle was a bit of a rebel, just like Lord Byron, I guess. He was a bit of a rebel as well. And there was famously, there was a few incidents that had happened with Lord Byron's great uncle, and one of the most famous ones was, I do believe, and I could be wrong on this, somebody might correct me and say I'm wrong, but this is the story I've heard, is that the at the top of here is this old oak tree, and Lord Byron was so infuriated with the local population, he tried to cut this tree down, and the locals gathered together and stopped him from doing so. And it's that tree right there. Huge old tree. And it's busy entering Newstead Abbey today. There's a lot of cars coming in. So that is probably going to end it there, folks. I could carry on, but I think ending it here in Ravenshead is probably a good time to stop for this upload. So I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you did, please do the usual, smash that like button, because that really helps my channel immensely, and subscribe if you're new to the channel. I'd also be very grateful for that. And we're going to end it with this beautiful pink bus, pink stagecoach bus. So yeah, I'll get to a point where I can stop the upload from my beautiful assistant that sat in the car, and then you can see Santini and Sainsbury's local, in case you're wondering where we are, and the Larch Farm Crossroads and the Larch Farm restaurant. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, everyone, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.